Alright, this is a camera test with the Xiaomi Yi camera fitted to my Tarantula X6 and with a forward mount. If for those interested, just let me know in the comments below. I'll send you a picture, a photo of how this looks. However, I must note, today is a very windy day. I suppose you can hear that on the microphone, the wind blowing, etc. So don't expect fantastic quality video. It's very shaky. I don't have a gimbal attached, so let's go ahead and see how this looks. Alright, considering the incredibly crazy wind, I'm pretty impressed that the Xiaomi, I don't know how to pronounce that name, the Xiaomi Yi camera performed pretty well, but even more, my Tarantula X6. This little quadcopter, for its price, is truly incredible. That little buzzer that you're hearing there is my safeguard. I actually set my timer for to remind me to stop flight way short of what the maximum flight time on this the Tarantula X6 actually is. But reason being, I know that the weight of the camera and my mounting system might affect flight, and I don't want to stress the motors too much, so I am allowing it only to fly for 3 minutes, which obviously in my opinion is the maximum I want this to go. So yes, I'm gonna go back home and let's see what this footage looks like. Cheers guys.